Hi YouTube, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best weight gain protein shake. I found the best ingredients to make this shake taste so good because if you know protein, then you know it has an aftertaste. So here it goes. So I just got finished doing a workout and now I'm going to drink my protein shake. So what you're going to need is your 1340 bulk protein. I have the flavor in vanilla, and then I have some peanut butter, some almond milk, and a banana. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 scoops of this, 1 scoop of that, and 16 ounces of that, and 1 whole banana. Okay, so I have my peanut butter, bananas, and 2 scoops of protein in there. And now I'm just gonna take my 16 ounces of almond milk, pour that on in there. And then I am going to blend. And there you have it, guys. That is the shake. I just use a regular Black & Decker blender from like Target. It's really simple and easy to get during quarantine. You don't have to go get the NutriBullet or whatever like that. And there you have it, guys. That is my protein shake that I have been doing for the past week now. I've been doing it this way and it tastes so good. I will taste test on camera. It tastes like banana peanut butter. You cannot taste the protein powder at all. It's amazing. And I'm recording in I just did my shake in my dining room area because it's like better, I have more space in here. And I just did a workout, so I wanted to just show you guys real time, real life, quarantine edition. Here's my mat that I was just doing my workout in. I'm in my workout clothes and that's that. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know if you like this. If you like peanut butter, if you like banana, then you'll definitely like this shake. And you cannot taste the protein powder at all. If you want to do the full 4 scoops of the protein powder, then just do the same 1 whole banana, but then do 2 scoops of peanut butter. 2 scoops of peanut butter if you do the 4 scoops of protein powder. I do 2 scoops of protein powder in the morning and 2 scoops of protein powder in the evening. So I break mine up throughout the day, but if you like to take your 4 scoops in one sitting to get the full 1340 calories, then just add double peanut butter. And that's it, guys. Please subscribe for more content. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.